Ever wondered why your nose suddenly goes achoo? It's like your nose yelling, "Get out, intruder!" Sneezing is your body's way of kicking out dust, pollen, or even a tiny rogue hair. Fun fact, the sneeze travels at 160 kilometers per hour, faster than a sports car. And ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? You can't. It's like your eyes saying, "Nope, not today." So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's superhero move. Just don't forget to cover it. Nobody likes a sneezy splash zone. Follow for more out of the world facts.